Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use filter on color, and also I will show you how to use advanced filter. So let us start. In this data set, I already have given color to some of my data and there is no logic in it. I did it randomly. So you can see some of the places I have got yellow color and different color I have given. Whenever you are working on your data, there are a lot of instances when you want to do some task and due to that you are giving some color and later on you'd like to find that data. So how to find the data based on color? Let us see. You can click anywhere in your sheet, go to data and apply the filter. Once filter is applied, you are required to go to the column in which you want your data to get filtered based on color. So click on the small drop down button and after that you see filter by color is coming and you can see the color yellow, green and red. These three colors are here. These three colors are coming because I have given different colors to cells and those different colors are yellow, green and red. If you are going to apply more color, then those colors will also be appearing. Suppose I would like to see all data which are green in color, click on green and only the data which are green, that is going to come. Suppose I would like to search only those data which are red in color, so only that is going to come. Fine. So in this way, you can apply filter using color. So this is the first part which I told you how to utilize filter based on color. Now let us take another example, that is the advanced filter. Lot of times what happens whenever we have got huge volume of data, like in this data set, if you see we have got 8,399 records. You can see here we have got 8,399, not 8,400, because the first row has got the headings. So we have got this many data and I would not like to disturb my original data, but I would like to pull some of the data from this based on any of the criteria. So suppose I would like to pull the data which are of maybe regular air. All the data where ship mode is regular air, I want to pull. And at the same time, I don't want my original data to get disturbed. So what to do? We are required to, I'm going to copy all these. There are so many different ways by which you can do. So I'm copying the entire headings and I'm going little away from my main data. So just going one column or two column away and paste the headings. So I pasted all the headings. Now regular air is on what? Ship mode. So ship mode, for avoiding any mistake, what I'm doing, I'm copying data from here. So I copied regular air and then I'm going to the place where I have copied my data. You can see it is here. And below ship mode, I am putting regular air. So my criteria is ship mode regular air. This is my criteria now. Okay. Now the step is go back, click on your original data. Fine. After that, go to data ribbon and locate for advanced option. So click on this advanced. Okay, automatically it should select all your data. So you can see $8.128400. So we know that many number of data we have got. That's correct. Criteria range, where is my criteria? So my criteria is ship mode regular year. Be careful, we have to select heading as well as the value. So I selected both of them. Again, there are multiple combination in it and or that I will be discussing in the next example. First, I'm going with the basics of it and then copy to another location. You want filter in the place or you want to do another place. I don't want to disturb my original data. So I am going for copy to another location and copy to where we want our data. I want my data to come below this. So I'm going, second line is regular year now. So I'm going one more line down or two line down, so that there should be gap. And here we will be able to understand by what or on what field the filter has been applied. So don't basically go to another place, better keep it here. And you can go for unique record only if required. So I'm not going right now for that, and click on OK. And you will be able to see, I'm going here, my data of just regular year, not anything else, but only regular year. Ship mode is regular year, and we have got the data. Fine. So this is the advanced filter. Your original data is intact, and we have pulled the data based on our criteria. Fine. So hope this feature of Excel will help you to work with whenever you are working with ERP and so many data sets you have got and you want to work on a specific data sets. You can do that. We can apply multiple filters also. So in case of multiple filter, we are required to select the entire area and then the data will come to you. Fine. So for any other details, if you want, just let me know. We can again discuss on that. Fine. Thank you. Happy learning.